Hi everyone, this is Miss Josie, and today we're going to be doing some writing. Right now we're learning about the ocean, and our writing today is going to be creating a diagram of the ocean layers. A diagram is a piece of writing that gives information. So the diagrams we're going to make will give information to others about the ocean. Let's get started. The ocean has 5 layers that are caused by different amounts of sunlight that shine into the ocean. Each layer has the perfect amount of sunlight for different animals to live. When the sun shines into the ocean, the top of the ocean has the most sunlight. Animals that need lots of sunlight to stay healthy live in the top layer. The top layer is called the sunshine layer because it gets the most sunlight. The next layer has a little bit less sunlight, so that means it is darker. There is less sun shining into the twilight layer. The middle layer is called the midnight layer. Midnight is a time of day when it is very dark out. So our middle layer is even darker than the layer before. Next is the abyss layer. This abyss layer is very dark. Last is the trench layer. The trench layer is the bottom of the ocean. It has trenches or cliffs and caves. It is almost completely dark with no sunlight ever shining on the trench layer. Now it's time to make your own diagram. First, color your coloring sheet of the animals for your diagram. You can color the animals however you would like. You can choose colors that are imaginative or colors that are realistic. Then cut out all of your animals and your labels. You can choose if you would like to use picture labels or labels you can trace. Start with the piece of paper that is the lightest blue. Rip the top to look like water or waves. Then add your label that says sunshine layer. You can use the label that has pictures, or you can use the label that you can trace. Or if you want to make your own label, you can write the words sunshine layer at the top by yourself. Next, glue down the animals that belong in the sunshine layer. You can rewind this video to see which animals they are, or you can look at your coloring page and read which belong in which layer. You have 3 different ways you can label your pictures. You can choose the picture labels, the tracing labels, or you can write the words all by yourself. Now it's time to start the twilight zone. Choose the next piece of paper that is a little bit darker than the first paper. Rip the top so it looks like water or waves and glue it down onto your sunshine layer. Then add your label that says Twilight Zone and glue the animals that belong in that layer onto your piece of paper. After you are done with the twilight layer, do the same thing for the midnight layer and the abyss layer. Then, for the trench layer, rip your brown piece of paper into caves or cliffs. Glue that onto your black paper to make your trench layer. Diagrams can be really hard work because they usually have pictures and words. For our diagrams, we colored pictures of animals and added words or labels. Remember that diagrams are giving information to others about the world. In our diagram, we are giving information about the ocean. You did such a great job making your diagram about the ocean. I can't wait to see how yours turned out. See you later.